Okay, so I've already got the cap off. Turn my light on here. Already got the cap off. I didn't film that, but it's 3 8mm bolts. They don't come out, so don't worry about losing them or anything. Just slide those off. Now the next thing we got to do is take off the rotor. So the rotor, as far as I can tell, looks like it's connected with an Allen wrench. I can't really tell if it's an Allen wrench. Let's see here. Yeah, looks like an Allen wrench. So I'm gonna grab an Allen wrench. Okay, so this Allen wrench size happens to be the exact same size as the steering wheel. Just a little Allen wrench trivia there. Okay. Okay, so it appears to me that I have a different part here. This is supposed to be the correct part number and the correct part, but this does not look the same to me at all. However, I will do my best to replace it. Wow, this is really in there. Okay. All right, so I've got a 30. And that's not gonna work. Okay, so I got my press here. I don't really know if this is necessary. It's probably not, but I've got a press, so I figure why not? And there we go. All right, so as you can see, these are not the same. At all. The thickness is different, and the seal itself is different, so I don't know. 401441. Not sure. Okay, so this is the part number, this is the part that I got. This is the part that's coming off of it. I've been told that this is just not the original part, maybe? I don't know. There's the same diameter. They're a different depth. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to press this one in, and I guess we'll see if it works. I'm going to put a little bit of this Hylamar around it. This is really just to lubricate it a little bit. Okay. Looks like that's going in there. Yeah. Okay, so I have a 36 mil, which seems to fit perfectly well in there. Maybe should have just started with this, but anyway, this is where we're at. I'm trying to get it lined up. All right. Feels like it. I think that's it. I'm gonna give it one more zhuzh. Yeah, that's definitely. All right. Got my gasket, got my sealant. I'll put one through right here. Or not sealant, seal washer. Move that out of the way. Stick this here. If I can get it in. That would be nice if I could get it in. There we go. So this is me buttoning everything back up. I had some footage of putting stuff back in, but it was so hard to see that I just skipped it. Basically, you reverse the procedure to put everything back in. Make sure that when you put the gasket, make sure that you put the gasket, the little triangle gasket back before you button everything up. I would have shown you that footage, but it's just obscured and you couldn't see it. But it's pretty self-explanatory. It only goes one way. So yeah, I hope this helped. It's not a difficult job to do. It turns out that the part was the correct part. Don't know what kind of part was on there before, but anyway, it was the correct part, so it worked out just fine. Unfortunately, the seal wasn't the problem on my particular car. It was the O-ring on the camshaft extension. So the entire cam had to come out and be drilled out. But anyway, hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching, and sorry I didn't get the footage of the reverse.